Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online tiffin ordering system. And I have developed this project in ASP, C Sharp and MySQL. The version for the MySQL I am using is the MySQL version 5.6. I am using the Visual Studio 2019 for developing this project. For connecting ASP C Sharp with MySQL, I am using the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. And the connector version I am using is the 6.9.10, right? You can download it from mysql.org website. After that, you can add the MySQL connector as a reference in your project, and you can run this project, right? So this is a web application. So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used, like for form validations, date calendar plugin integrations, and many more things. I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all are the technology stacks which I am using for developing this project, online tiffin ordering system, right? So let's start with the functionality go through, right? So the project title is online tiffin ordering system, and it's a mini ASP C Sharp MySQL based DBMS project, right? DBMS because we are performing the database operations here, like create, read, update, delete, and we are performing it using the SQL statements, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is the simple home page, and there are some products coming on the home page, and there are 6 products, and these all products are coming from the database, right? So if you want to see the details, just click on the view details, and after that you will be able to see the details of that product, right? If you want to buy it, just click on the add to cart, and it will be added into the cart, right? So this is the about project, and it's a static page, and there is nothing dynamic on it. If you want to change the content, just open the about.asps and you can change the content there. This is all foods, right? These all are the food items. You can see there are a lot of food items here, right? And these all food items are coming from the database, which if you want to update it, there is no admin panel available inside this project because it's a mini project. There is only customer registration and login. If you want to change anything, just you can log in into the MySQL database using the phpMyAdmin or any other MySQL GUI tool, and you can update the records, right? This is a veg, this is a filter, right? If you click one veg, or then the veg, non-veg, south, right? So you can see these are the categories. According to the category, you can order your food. This is the registration. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you can log inside the register inside the system, and after that you can log in with your email ID and password, right? Username and password, right? So this is a login from where customer will be able to log in. So the user ID is customer and password is test. Once customer login inside the system, then he will get the dashboard, right? So this is a simple dashboard. Here you can see the my order section from where he will be able to see all of his previous orders, right? Just click on the details and he will be able to see all of the order items which he has ordered, right? This is the all foods already. My ID explained you. This is change password from where he will be able to update his account password, right? So this is the full flow. Now I am going to order some of the tiffins, right? Using this application, right? I'm clicking on this, and after that I want this one, then view details and add to cart, right? So this item has been added into the cart, and click on the proceed to payment, right? Once you click on the proceed to payment, it will ask your card details. This is a dummy payment gateway. There is nothing dynamic on it. Just enter the garbage value what you want to add or what you want to enter, right? Just enter anything. There is no need of entering any valid information here, and the CVV number, and after that the amount you need to pay is 500 rupees. Once you click on the make payment, then you will get your order confirmation, and your order ID is 21, and after that you can see you have paid the 500. If you want to print the receipt, just click on the print receipt, and that receipt will be printed, right? And even you can get your order details here in the order section, right? So today is 1510. You are This is the last order, and once you click on the details, you will be able to see the details what you have ordered, right? You can order multiple items at a single time, right? So let me show you. So I need to add this into the cart, and after that I need this into the cart, right? So this is 2, and once you click on the proceed payment, just enter anything what you, there is no validation here, there is no real-time payment gateway, right? And the CV and make payment, right? So you can see the order ID is 22, right? If you click on the my orders and details, then that order details will be displayed, right? This is a change password for changing your account password and the logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the customer session will be destroyed and none of the internal menu with customer menu will be accessed, right? So let me show you. So log out, then you can see none of the administration, customer administration menu is displaying, right? Right. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project online tiffin ordering system. And as I told you earlier, this is a ASP C# MySQL web-based mini DBMS project, right? And mini because it has only customer registration and login, right? There is no admin panel available inside this project. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.